So you're looking to buy a GTR, the engineering beauty that rose from the land of the rising sun and was labeled as Godzilla for its aggressive styling to its monstrous acceleration. Before we begin, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to be notified of our future videos. Let's go back in time to when the first-gen GTR was born. In 1969, Skyline changed its name to Nissan and unveiled the first performance-bred sedan called the Skyline GTR. It had an inline-six engine with 160 horsepower and was available from 1969 to 1972. A few years down the road, the third-gen Nissan Skyline GTR R32 rolled out, snatching the nickname Godzilla by winning the Japanese Touring Car Championship 5 years straight. Fast forward to the present, the GTR became bigger and meaner. The GTR name made a comeback in 2009 with the R35 GTR, and man, it was a total menace to its rivals. This bad boy dominated the strip, smoked supercars, and even showed Porsche who's boss on the Nordschleife, clocking in at 7 minutes and 26 seconds. Nissan was 13 seconds ahead of the Porsche 911 Turbo, which finished in 7 minutes and 39 seconds. Some folks said the Porsche had a damp track during the test, but either way, it was a win for Nissan. Grabbing a used 2009 GTR won't break the bank, going for around $59,200 in today's market. Not bad when you're rolling with a 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6 packing 480 horsepower, revving up to 6,400 revolutions per minute, and pushing that power through its all-wheel drive setup. Now, the earlier R35 GTRs had a few issues, so my advice is to aim for a 2012 model or newer. If you're eyeballing a 2009 to 2011 GTR, just be aware of some common issues like a broken bell housing, steering wheel lock, nav unit hiccups, evap leaks, broken transmission, and fuel tank problems. Lucky for you, some of these issues can be nipped in the bud by swapping in 2013 parts, making it a more reliable ride. If you've got some extra cash to spend, then I recommend getting the 2013 to 2021 GTRs, running between $80,000 to $120,000. These babies pack the same 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6 engine and all-wheel drive setup, but cranked up to a sweet 565 horsepower, hitting 6,800 revolutions per minute. It's like the 2013 to 2021 GTRs got an extra shot of adrenaline. If you're after the highest spec GTR, set your sights on the GTR Nismo. This bad boy cranks the horsepower up to a solid 600 and the torque at 481 pound-feet. Prices vary depending on the year, but you're looking at shelling out anywhere from $130,000 to $222,000 for this beast. It's a hefty price tag, but you're paying for some serious muscle under the hood. What do you think? Is this supercar for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Hit up my channel for more cool stuff, and don't forget to check out my last video by clicking right here. Thank you for watching. As always, see you in the next one.